Okay, so today we are answering a question from ECZ past paper, grade 12 science paper 1, November 2019. The question goes, figure B5.1 below shows a dot representing the position in the center of a rectangular hole where a learner is standing. The width of the hole is 17 meters. When the learner hits a drum, two echoes at intervals of 50 by 10 power negative 3 seconds and 80 by 10 power negative 3 seconds respectively are heard by the learner after the bang. Assuming there is no echo from the ceiling, calculate the speed of sound in air, that is A. B, the length of the hole. Okay, that is our question. Now let's try to see how we are going to answer it. Okay, so our question is telling us that we have a hole of width 17 meters. The length of the hole is unknown. We do know that there's a learner at the center of a hole. Center meaning in between the walls, at the center. So the center of a wall with width of 17 meters, it would have half of 17 meters that side and half of 17 meters that side. Using a calculator to find half of 17 meters, we get 8.5. So this is 8.5 meters and that is 8.5 meters. Okay, so after the learner hits the drum, he hears two echoes at time intervals of 50 by 10 to the power negative 3 seconds. The second one by 80 by 10 negative 3 seconds. Okay, so to simplify those two numbers for easy calculations, let's say 50 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3, we are getting 0.05. So this one is the same as 0.05 seconds. Okay, the other one, 80 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3 gives us 0.08 seconds. So this is the same as 0.08 seconds. Those are the times. Okay, so when this learner hits the drum, sound travels in all directions. Okay, so from the learner, sound will travel outward into the walls of the width. It will bounce back towards the learner. These two echoes will be heard at once at the same time, as if it's just one echo. So it will just be one echo. The one which is taking 0.05 seconds, that's the first echo. The second echo, the one which is taking longer, 0.08 seconds, is the echo from these walls and back to the wall and back. These two echoes are also being heard at once. So they are the ones that are taking 0.08 seconds to arrive back to the learner's ear. The question was asked to find the speed of sound in air. Speed of sound in air when you're using the echo method is given by that formula. Speed is equal to 2 multiplied by the distance over the time. Speed is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is the distance covered by the sound waves that leave the drum towards these walls and back? The sound wave passing this side, it is covering 8.5 meters. That is the distance between the learner and the wall. So we'll say 8.5 meters divided by time. How long is it taking? The first time interval, 0.05 seconds. This one, 0.05. Speed is equal to 2 multiplied by 8.5 using a calculator. 2 multiplied by 8.5, we are getting 17. So we get 17 on top divided by 0.05. Speed of sound is equal to 17 divided by 0.05. We are getting 340. Speed is equal to 340 meters per second. That is the speed of sound, 340 meters per second. Now the next question has asked us to find the length of the wall. The length which was initially unknown, we want to know it now. So we do know that the speed of sound is constant. If sound is moving at 340 meters per second in all directions, that is its speed. Therefore, we do know the speed of sound. We also know the time taken by the echo which is going that way. The time taken by that echo is 0.08 seconds. So we have time, we also have speed. Can we find the distance covered? So we'll say again, speed is equal to 2 multiplied by the distance divided by the time. Speed of sound 340 is equal to 2 multiplied by distance we do not know, time taken 0.08 seconds. Then we multiply this, 2 multiplied by s, we get 2s divided by 0.08 is equal to 340. You cross multiply, 1 multiplied by 2s, we get 2s is equal to 340 multiplied by 0.08. So 340 multiplied by 0.08, we get 27.2. 27.2. We want to find s. We have 2s is equal to 27.2. Mathematically, you divide both sides by 2. These two cancel each other. The distance s is equal to 27.2 divided by 2. Divided by 2. We are getting 13.6 meters. That is the distance between that wall, between the lane in the center and that wall. Okay, that is the distance. So now we are asked to find the length. Length will simply be equal to that distance from there to there multiplied by 2 because the lane is at the center. So we'll say length is equal to 13.6 meters multiplied by 2. Length is equal to 13.6 multiplied by 2, 27.2 meters. And that is the length of the hole. Thank you.